A week ago, Coinbase Wallet finally shared what the TBA stands for, and it stands for the Base app. If you aren't sure what I'm talking about and you missed my last video, you can click here and watch it. The Base app is still invite only, and I'm doing my best to get some of them to you. Watch the whole video and let me know below in the comments if you need one. As soon as I get them, I'm going to choose people to invite to the app and onboard them personally. Hi, I'm Vanna and I make crypto make sense. Coinbase Wallet became a Base app. Their logo became a square, very simple, very easy to remember. I shared an update from the last week announcements, and today I'm going to show you what these changes are firsthand in the Base app. As I already mentioned, Coinbase Wallet became a Base app and they integrated a social feed from Forecaster. You now have different mini apps that you can play certain games, you can crowdfund, you can do many things. You can play and create games with Remix. So you can play existing games and you can create your own, very simple without coding. Base blockchain time is reduced to 200 milliseconds. What that means that Base is now 10 times faster. The transactions are faster, posting is faster, so everything just moves 10 times faster. You can now send DMs within the app, you can tip other users with noise, and there is also a Base Pay. You can just with one click pay with USD in the Shopify with approved merchants. So I'm going to show you, I'm here on Chip Social website, which is my go-to press on nails, especially when I'm going to events. So you can see here that you can pay with a card just like anywhere else, but you can also select USDC and pay with your Base app wallet, which I think is revolutionary. So let me take you around the Base app. You can see the icon has changed. So when we enter, you can see your home feed, which contains your chats. You can see your balance. You can see featured apps. You can also chat with agents. And what is the greatest thing? I'm gonna show you chats in a moment, but you can actually in any chat engage these agents. You have trending apps and you can browse here apps and games. Remix gave us an option here to play games and also create our own games without having to code. There are some apps that you will sign directly in Base App Wallet, but there are some apps that you will have to go to Forecaster to sign. So here you can just play any game, you can view all the games available, but you can also create your own game. You're just going to explain what kind of game you want to create and it will create for you, which I think it's an awesome feature. Let's go back to the home page. So just like your previous Coinbase wallet or now Base app, you can use all the features that wallet already had, which is buy, trade, send. And there is a new feature, request money, which I personally really like. Like if you want somebody to send you, for example, $10, you can either select from who. Let's say I'm gonna select Jesse to send me a $10. For Jesse, who knows? Who knows how many people requested money from him, but I'm just doing this for the video. So Jesse, if you're watching this, you don't have to send me $10. You're swiping to request here. And now you can see here the request. You can message him and say, hi, I'm just testing the request, or you can cancel. You can also request by creating a link, which I think is also cool. If you don't know the wallet of a person that you're requesting from, you can just create a unique link. And after the link is created, you can just copy it and share it in your Telegram, your ex, like you can say, it's my birthday. If you want to wish me happy birthday, send me $10. So anybody who clicks on this link will be able to send you $10. On your homepage, you can see your profile. And if you click your profile, it will actually take you to the feed that looks very similar to Forecaster, but it's also different in a way that it's unique to Base app. So you can see your posts, your replies and likes. You have 3 different tabs here. And then on the homepage of the feed, which is the second tab here, so this is a social feed, you have a discover section where you see the people you follow and you don't follow. So you see some new people that you can discover them, you can like their post. And you also have a video option where you can just scroll videos like anywhere else.
What if you got paid?
Oh, hi, Jason. Cute. So just like any other Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, you can scroll here and you can find new video content creators. And that's pretty much it. So if you click here, this is just showing you which tokens, like just a regular wallet, what you can see. And then the new feature that they added as well is chats. I have some private chats here, and I have chatted with banker asking him what to buy. I also created together with Asha Base Baddies. So if you are on Base app and you want to become a Base Baddie, make sure to send me a DM on Base and let me know why you are a Base Baddie. That's one question you have to answer to be added in this group. Jokes aside, if you are Base, you are a baddie for sure. You need to enable this one important thing. You need to enable chatting for somebody to text you and for you to reach out to someone, and for me to be able to add you in Base Baddies. The most important thing is that you have to enable. So if somebody doesn't want to use this feature, doesn't want to be receiving DMs, they can just not use it. But if you want to use it, you have to enable it first. Here we have notifications, which I really like, and I already mentioned this before. They are grouped. So if people have followed me, it will show in one line. If people have liked my post, it will show in one line. It doesn't seem scattered. It seems very easy and simple to understand. And then here the last tab is your wallet. Jesse still didn't send me $10. And then here you can see that I have, these are my transactions. And then here is the overview of the holdings that I have. I started here with $7 a couple of days ago, and I'm now on $42. You can see here there is some cute green, I think this is rhomboid, I'm not sure what's the shape. $5 means this is the reward that I earn. If you click on it, it will open you weekly rewards. So there are two ways to earn on Base app. You can earn by posting and engaging with other creators and climbing up the leaderboard. Here we cannot see the whole leaderboard as yet. I think that would be a really useful feature. For now, we can see only top 10 all-time leaderboard. So it's not even a weekly one, it's just all-time. And if you click on the information mark here, it's written that if you post and create a buzz, so if your post becomes trending, you will practically climb this leaderboard. You can compete with your friends in ranking and explore the rewards and earn cash. So it's not saying much, but I have posted about it yesterday, and this is the breakdown. So there are 3,180 people will be rewarded. Okay, the first 5 will get $100 each, next 25 will get $50 each, and so on. You can see this table. I'm gonna leave a link to this post in the description, so you can check this out on your own when you have a moment. You can also access this directly from the homepage. If you click on your little icon here, it will show you your wallet, your username, and your earnings, and it will take you to the same page that I just showed you. Here is the button to give feedback. If you remember previously, I said that what I like about Base, that it's taking care of and hearing people feedback. So right now we are in Base mode or beta mode, and here you can give feedback. Sometimes giving feedback is a bit slow, but you can give a general feedback of features that you would like, I'm saying again, or something that is buggy, you can report about. If you want to personalize your Base app, you can click on theme. So today I'm feeling a little bit pinkish. It reminds me of iPhone. You can do this on your iPhone as well. You can personalize. I prefer dark. This is quite nice combination, and you can apply theme to the app icon. So my app icon will become pink. Cute. Ooh, and it's matching my background. I'm going to show you quickly the second way to earn. So I showed you one way, which is posting. The second way to earn is also posting, but tokenizing your post. So I still haven't posted on Base app this morning. Let's see, these are some videos that I created. I'm going to post Museum of the Future. Let's see which shot I like. I think this one. And I'm gonna call it Museum the Future. The whole text will not be visible. Obviously, you can select a ticker like MF, but in this case, I'm gonna leave it. You can have caption or not. So if I close here, this is the name of your token. I'm just gonna be Base Morning. Does this count as touching grass. And now I will click post. It will ask me to sign with my smart wallet because we are creating a token. Since I'm not on the phone, I'm just gonna enter my phone PIN, but if you're on the phone, it will ask you to scan your face, and that's it. The post is out, and how can people buy this? Or you can buy your own tokens by clicking on this heartbeat here. I'm gonna buy $1, and here you can see I'm buying 6 million tokens. I'm gonna slide it, and again, you have to approve the payment with your PIN or your face. So I practically traded my USDC for my own post. The only thing that some people might find controversial about this, and I have to mention, for you to make money off your own post or a coin, it works like any other coin in crypto. How do you make money selling Bitcoin or Ethereum? That somebody has to buy it. So for you to make money, you have to sell after somebody has bought it, and that means that that person will lose money if you want to look at it in that way. Or you can look at it as this person wanted to reward me for posting, and yeah, they might be investing to sell when this post goes higher or if it goes higher, but they might be just rewarding me and investing in my post because they like it. So it depends how you look at it. It can be positive and negative like anything in life, and it's just the perspective. So again, the Base app is still invite only. I'm doing my best to get more invites for you guys, and I hope I will make it. If you like this video, if you found it useful, if you learned something about Base app, please like it and subscribe to my channel. If you are on the Base app, follow me. My username is Vana Coin Empress, and I will make sure to follow you back. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video, and stay based.